Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would solve the practice problem triangle shrinking downwards. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. Basically in this question, we are given a string, let's say geeks, okay? And we need to print it in a form of pattern. What kind of pattern? See, first geeks is printed all together, okay? In the next line, G is removed and a dot appears, okay? EEKS remains, okay? Then in the next line, E is removed, so it is EKS, okay? Next line, this E is removed and another dot is coming in its place. Then K and S, okay? Then in the next one, K is removed, so it is S, okay? Then finally S is removed and we are left with the dots, okay? I hope this is clear to you what we are doing, okay? This is how we need a pattern to be printed and this is the logic, okay? Replacing the first letter on the left side by a dot, okay? So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school, okay? After choosing school, you need to find the problem triangle shrinking downwards, okay? Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay? So let's solve the problem. Okay, now here is the question. Let's read it. Given a string of a constant length, print a triangle out of it. The triangle should start with the given string and keep shrinking downwards by removing one character from the beginning of the string. The spaces on the left side of the triangle should be replaced with the dot character, okay? I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here, okay? So let's start, okay? So let's solve the question now, okay? Initially, I'm declaring a string that is blank, okay? Initially, I don't have anything over here. Now, I am applying a for loop, okay? Range would be the length of the string, okay? Yes, okay? Then, I need to keep on removing. So, for that, I am applying another for loop. So, range, okay? Its range is also S. Now, basically, there are two for loops. Why? Because one is, basically, we are only traversing the string. But the logic is that we are removing a character and at the same time, we are replacing that character with a dot, okay? So, that is why there are two for loops, okay? So, over here, it would be length, circular brackets, S, okay? Colon, enter, okay? If I is greater than J, okay? Then what? Then I need to replace it with a dot, okay? So, K plus, okay? Circular brackets, string, dot, okay? Then next, else, okay? If this is not true, then I can just move on with the characters in the string, okay? So, K is K equal to K plus, okay? Then it is whatever is the value, 1, J. So, basically over here what is happening? Over here I am saying the first letter should be replaced by dot, whichever letter you are on, else the remaining letters, all the remaining letters should come as it was, okay? So, this is for that, okay? I hope this is clear to you. Now, I just need to return with the value of K, okay? So, return with the value of K. Now, I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So, I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and basically my output is matching with the expected output. So, now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem triangle shrinking downwards. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.